Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bobbi Lace and today we have a hair tutorial. So if you would like to see how I got this hair look that I have going on right now, then keep watching. Say hi to Saint. Hi Sainty. No? Okay, so it's the night before. I have somewhere to go. I have a party to go to, and I personally, anytime I have anywhere to be, somewhere to go, I'm that kind of bitch that wants to look her best. So I saw this tutorial on Instagram and I was like, I want to do that. This girl who is, in my opinion, very, very pretty. Her name is Safia Yesha. I don't know. I'm gonna try and link her stuff down, like specifically this tutorial. I'm gonna link it down below because this is actually where I got all of my information. Basically what she's doing is making Bantu knots, 6 of them. So she seems like we have similar but not exactly the same hair texture, so I'm gonna go ahead and try. And she says it makes DIY Hollywood waves, which they just like curly. It looks like straight curly wavy cute hair, so that's what I want. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can see, I've already washed my hair. I'm going to show you everything that I used in preparation for this right now. All the products that you'll need right now. Basically what you need for your tutorial is all of the items I have right here. Kind of try to focus more on these things. I'm going to need this. Unless your hair is already straight, then you won't need that. I need a smoothing brush. This one just so happens to be hard bristled, but I think you could get away with using a soft bristled one. I have a rat tail comb for separating more finely. This for detangling my hair. This is the gel that I'm going to use. I have some argan oil. No, it's not 100% argan oil, but you know, it's okay. I just need some moisture on my hair. I use this in the shower, and I also use the Aussie moisturizing conditioner, and then I used a volumizing shampoo from Aussie as well. So I'm going to use all of these products and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so that's all the stuff that you're going to need to do this tutorial. I'm going to try and do this as heatless as possible. Now she blew out her hair, so I feel like I kind of need to blow out my hair because I washed it and we're starting with completely dry, well, completely wet hair. It just got washed. So I'm going to put a little bit of the argan oil in my hair and a little bit of heat protectant, which unfortunately I did not show, but here, look. Look, Linda. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Hot Sexy Hair as my heat protectant, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this argan oil in my hair all over as well, and then I'm going to blow dry it mostly straight. Y'all don't read me down in the comments for how my hair is fixing to look, where it's a progress and a process, okay? So please bear with me. Okay. Now, can I just say that I put it in half, and I'm putting this away so when I'm blow drying this side of my hair is not going crazy, and I can get a more thorough blow dry with this half of my hair. Okay, so it's important to just put the half of your hair you're not working with away, and then we can continue on through, especially if you got a lot of hair like me. I just think it would be a better idea for blow drying, specifically if I had a vented brush. So if you have a vented brush, use a vented brush. If you don't have a vented brush, you can use a round brush, or you could just use a regular paddle brush. I don't have one handy, but you could use one of those. Okay, so this fluffed up half is my hair that is completely dry and completely, you know, free of any other things. So now what I saw from the tutorial is that she parted half of her hair in 3 different little knots, like little Bantu knots. So one right here, one right here, and one in the back. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm going to apply some of this gel, and let me do one section without it being sped up for you guys. So, ow, I always dropping stuff. So, and I have 6 ponytails. If you don't have 6 ponytails, you can use 6 rubber bands, 6 clippies, whatever you happen to have on hand to tie your hair away. Just go ahead and use that. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and I'm gonna take my hair in thirds. So this is the first third of my hair. So I'm just gonna put the rest of it behind me. Is that the rest of it? Okay. So this little chunk of my hair is what's gonna get, and I'm gonna try and use not very much product due to the fact that you really shouldn't use that much product, because then your hair is going to end up being hard, and then if you try to brush out your hair, there's just going to be flakes everywhere, typically with most gels. Okay, so normally the gels that have a little bit of grease mixed into it, or oils or something, they don't really get, or like flexible gels, you know, but this gel happens to be a very hard gel, so I'm gonna just use this amount. Well, shit. Fucking. I'm gonna use that amount of gel, maybe about a quarter-sized amount of gel per section. So I'm gonna rub my hands together really, really well, and take my little section and rub all the way through it. So essentially it's getting all the way wet again. Now I'm going to take my brush, being careful with my edges, but also still pulling them back pretty taut. So let me move a little bit closer, like this. Okay, so I'm going to pull this basically to where my hair is straight. I'm gonna twist, 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 and get to where I have, I know I had brushed it straightened, which is probably about to right here. I'm gonna brush the rest of it straight here in a minute. I'm gonna twist around. twist around, twist around. And then I'm going to take my comb, brush it out again. If you feel like this part doesn't have enough gel, go ahead and put some more gel. I personally don't think that this portion of my hair has just enough gel, so I'm gonna get another little, basically a pea-sized amount of gel. Go ahead and slap that on my ends. Brush it straight, and then, oops, don't forget which direction you are twisting your hair. Twist, twist, twist around the circle, twist, twist, twist. Okay, and then make sure you get your little Andis right here. Twist it all the way around your little knot that you have. Disregard your other fluff. Take a ponytail. Make sure you secure everything down. And to me, the most important part will be getting my edges to be straight. So I need to definitely make sure that that stays intact with gel. And there you go. So that is that piece, and you're gonna see me do the rest of my hair. Okay, so guys, if anything, I'm very, very honest about things, especially for my channel, because I don't want you guys to not trust my advice or a course of action, especially when it comes to hair texture, things like that. And quite honestly, this hairstyle was extremely tedious. So if you're the kind of girl like I am that likes low maintenance and just an easy go-to style, or if you're tender-headed, like, this would not be for you. I'm gonna be extremely honest. This wouldn't be for you. Just like it's not for me, but I know girls who do this every week. So, you know, you kind of pick and choose what you want to do and what you don't want to do with your own hair. But to me, it's not worth it. And to me, the outcome, as you'll see, my opinions on it. So just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so now that I look like a whole idiot, I am going to not do what she did in her tutorial. In her tutorial, she took her hair dryer and she just like hair dried around the little knots. But I'm trying to make this as heatless as possible. So I'm going to skip this step and I'm just going to let my hair dry in these thingies overnight. So I'm just gonna go to sleep in them, and I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the finished deal. Good morning, everybody. We have been on these things all night long, and let me tell you, these are the most uncomfortable little shits to sleep on, but they basically stayed intact except this one right here. So I'm a little bit worried about this section's curls, but we'll deal with that crossroads when we get to it. So for now, I have my flat iron like ready to go, in case I need to fix something. But like I said before, I'm gonna try and do this like mostly, if not all, heatless. Like I used a blow dryer, so clearly that's not heatless. But ooh, really quickly, look, yo, ooh, bitch. If that ain't sharp enough to cut somebody, I don't know what is, but you know. Anyways, I'll start taking these down and we'll get a gist, or I'll start taking these down and then we'll get a gist for what it's gonna look like. Okay, first of all, I look crazy. I look like a child with a full beat on. Like, hi, Mom. Anyways, so my scalp feels 100% better, because let me tell you, to get this look to work, you do have to pull very tightly, and my scalp is not used to that. It's used to just hanging and swinging and doing its own thing. I don't even like tight ponytails because it makes my head hurt. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and brush it out with this white tooth comb and start trying to separate sections. Ciao. Okay. I don't know what in the Pippi Longstocking this. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so I have a theory. I think, okay, so this is kind of how my hair came out, and it's not ugly, but it's not me. Okay, this is not my kind of style, so I'm definitely going to fix it. And this is not what I envisioned whenever I did this to my hair. I kind of envisioned it for it to look like that girl's hair, but I have my hair texture. She is clearly not half black, Indian, and Irish. Okay, so I'm gonna have to say my natural curl texture is way curlier than hers, and I'm sure her hair has more weight to it than mine does, because this is not going to like elongate at all over time. My hair, if it curls, you curl it, it's going to stay curled like that. Okay, so basically I think that this is kind of bullshit. I had to sleep all uncomfortable, you know, and I could have just straightened my shit. Okay, let's just be clear. I could have just straightened my shit and been happy with that, or did some like cute little like flat iron curls. So unfortunately I hate this. But you know, if you have more weighted hair, maybe you're not half black. Maybe if you're not half black, say you're Mexican or you're white and you just got thick hair or something like that, this would probably work really well for you. But for me, this is not cute. This is not me. I know that some people are gonna be like, oh no, that's cute, that's blah blah blah. No, I would look like a goddamn poodle. I'm not keeping this on my face or around my face, none of that. So I'm gonna fix my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I'll see y'all next Thursday. Hopefully I'll see y'all on Makeup Mondays live on Facebook. I'm gonna link everything down below, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right in this area right here, or you know, over here, the thing with my face, it'll subscribe you. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.